My name is Tamara.
Matt Roth.
Susie Belcher. I'm Reverend Carla Bass.
And I am here in Dallas, Texas, and attending this amazing conference. I've been using this BioModulator and biotransducer equipment for over 20 years, and it's life-changing.
After I got introduced to BioModulator and biotransducer, it's helping all the cells to have the required voltage to rebuild, and that helped me a lot with my chronic injuries.
I had suffered some significant damage and was suffering from sciatica. I was put on the table and I was gifted a spinal release, and they went down my whole spine. And since I've arrived, I actually was taking some medication, and since then I have not had to take any medication, and I'm full of life.
I have been delighted to listen about how we need to evolve, how we use our devices. We have taught one way for so long, and I'm so excited that we're deepening our teachings, but I'm very excited to be able to teach others what I've learned this weekend.
I was having some kind of chronic neck injury, and in one of the trainings that we had, I asked the student that was working on me to work on my neck. And since yesterday that she worked on my neck by following the protocol that we learned, my neck pain was totally gone. They have great trainings and they give great insights to people on how to use these devices and what are the functions of these devices to promote a lot faster healing.
It has been giving me all sorts of medical, emotional, and physical options to be able to really enhance my life in the way I want it. So my one thing that I would say to you is absolutely, without a shadow of a doubt, invest in this device because it will change your life.
I would say this course has really provided a wonderful foundation. The slides that the ladies have put together are just amazing. There's a lot of practical information. This course is geared towards a practitioner, and it really gives them the tools, that foundational understanding, and not just doing therapy where there's pain, which is really important. When you're a practitioner, you want to look for all of the outer areas of concern and everything that's connected, and they really tie that in together very, very nicely. So I would highly recommend this course to anybody, whether they've used it for 20 years or 2 months. It's going to be amazing, and especially if they're a practitioner, it's really going to give them that foundational information to really use this at a much higher level.